Hola mis amigos, mi nombre es Zahir Abbas. Once again in front of you, I am present for teaching you. In this video, I would like to explain you about present indefinite tense but regular verb er in Spanish language. Okay. In Spanish language. Actually, before this, in two videos, I explained about AR verb regular form and about ER regular form in Spanish language. But in this form, in this video, I am gonna explain you about regular verb IR form. Okay, IR form. About IR form, I would like to explain you. So let us start the video. First, I would like to explain the pronouns yo, tu, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. In front of you, I have written Spanish pronouns. With them, which conjugation will be used with IR regular verb form, I am gonna write IR conjugation form. Okay, yo, o, tú, es, él, ella, usted y nosotros, nosotras, imos, vosotros, vosotros, vosotras, es, ellos, ellas, ustedes, en. In front of you, I have written IR conjugation form. With them, this form will be used. Okay, yo, with yo, o will be used. With two, es will be used. S, el, ella, usted, e will be used. Nosotros, nosotras, imos form will be used. And vosotros, vosotras, is form is, it will be used. And ellos, ellas, ustedes, n will be used. With the help of example, I would like to explain you, then you can understand easily how to use this. Now, a verb of Spanish language, I would like to take with that example, with that verb form, I will explain you. First, I would like to leave one verb, leave. Leave means in Spanish language, vivir. IR form. With IR form, how to use this conjugation with sentences and with tenses. With the help of example, I am gonna explain you. Let us start. Examples. First, he, sorry for writing this, he lives. English, he lives will be translated into Spanish language such kinds: L, B and B, bay. Now you are watching here with L E form with verb will be used. Okay. El vive. He lives. El vive. Spanish. And the next example. We live. English. Now I have written in front of you. You are watching this. We live. We live will be translated into Spanish language. Such kinds. Nosotros. Vivimos. Nosotros vivimos. Because with nosotros, emos form will be used. So in front of you, I have written with vivir, vivimos. With vivir form, I have used emos form. Now you are watching this, and I expect that you are getting what I am explaining you. Nosotros vivimos. Spanish. So in front of you, I have written everything. Now you are getting, you will be understanding. Gracias por ver.